Django, check if value in values underscore list with and without prefetch underscore related slash select underscore related. I've observed this behavior and I don't quite understand. Let's say I make a query. And I get. Then I want to check if a certain value is in the list of PKs returned. This will return true, but if instead I change result to, I still get. But when I do, I get false. I tried using select underscore related instead, and that returned true as I expected. Can someone explain to me why the difference? Are you using Django 1.5? There was a bug that caused the in lookup to fail when using prefetch underscore related, bug 20242. This has been fixed in Django 1.6.
If